Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to download Netflix on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super convenient because you could then have the app on your computer. You can easily go and launch it, and you don't have to go and use web browsers. You simply have the app on your computer and you can go and run it. So to go and get it, we're going to be using the Microsoft Store, so come to the bottom of your computer and go and type it in. This is essentially an app store on your computer. So go and open it up like so. So you can go and browse through it. Here it is actually on in the top 3 apps for me. But what you can do if you can't go and see it is go and search for it like so. Go and click on it, and what you can then do is go and click on the install button like so. It shouldn't take too long to download as it's quite a small app. You can now see that it's installing, so shortly that button will change to open widget now. As I can go and click on it, and here we are. As you can see, the app has been installed. You can then go and add it to a taskbar and things like that, and now what I can do is click on sign in the top right and sign into my account. Of course you can adjust the size of it as well. Here we are. I've signed in and I can go into my profile and I can go and start watching. It's that simple.